Is your Windows PC running low on storage or starting to feel a bit cluttered? Wintoys includes several tools that can help you clean up your system and keep it organized. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Wintoys to clean up Windows safely. Let's get started. First, open Wintoys from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once it loads, you'll see the main dashboard with categories for managing apps, performance, health, and Windows settings. Next, open the Apps section. Here, you can review all the programs installed on your computer. If you notice applications you no longer use, you can uninstall them to free up storage space. Be careful not to remove software that Windows or other programs rely on. Now switch to the Health section. Depending on your version of Wintoys, you'll find maintenance features that can help you review storage usage and access Windows cleanup tools. These options make it easier to identify files and areas that may be taking up unnecessary space. After that, open the Performance section and review the list of startup applications. Disabling programs that don't need to launch automatically can improve startup performance and reduce background resource usage. Only disable apps that you recognize and don't need at startup. Finally, visit the Tweaks section if you want to customize Windows further. You'll find settings related to File Explorer, privacy, desktop behavior, and other Windows features. Before applying several tweaks, creating a system restore point is always a smart precaution, and that's how you can clean up your Windows PC using Wintoys. By removing unused apps, reviewing storage, managing startup programs, and applying useful tweaks carefully, you can keep your computer running more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.